Hi guys! I know that when you have braces you can eat a lot of food, and in this video I want to show you how to make delicious food and how you can switch the sweets with something that you can actually eat. So starting on with breakfast, I want to show you how to make these delicious muffins that yes, you can actually eat if you have braces. If you don't have braces but you are still watching this video, you can add some fruits inside because these muffins will taste better. But unfortunately, or if you just wear braces, you can't actually add the fruits. But let's just make this typical recipe. And let's just make the muffins. Now I'm going to leave the muffins for 50 minutes in the oven, and this is how these muffins looks. Yes, you can actually eat this if you have braces, and these muffins are delicious. Just trust me. Moving on to lunch, I just want to make a cream soup, so I'm boiling some peas and I'm adding half an avocado and I'm just creating the cream soup. You might think that this doesn't taste good, but trust me, this tastes good. And if you want, you can add some olive oil inside, but I just added the water from the boiling peas. And that's it. And a fruit that you can eat is cherries, and these cherries are so good if you wear braces. And last but not least, for lunch I just baked a sweet potato. If you want to know how to bake a sweet potato, I have another video and the link is going to be in the description box if you want to see it. And for this sweet potato I just added some butter, salt and pepper, and basically that's what I did for my lunch, and I really love the sweet potato. Comment down below if you also love the sweet potato. And that's all. I wanted to show you what you can eat in a day if you have braces. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, don't hesitate to comment down below. And if you wear braces, comment again down below your experience about braces and what you can eat and what you can actually not eat. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day and also an amazing week. And also, if you want to see more videos from my YouTube channel, here are some ideas, but I have more videos, so subscribe on my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos. Bye guys!